Grade 5. Here are the question answers from your Unit 4, Lesson 3. What do you need to make an ice cream? Milk, cream, sugar and flavors. What different kinds of fruits do they use? Mango, orange and strawberry. Which do you do first? Add the sugar or heat the cream? Cream is heated first. How do you make a syrup? By mixing sugar and water. Why do the pedals still the mixer all the time? To stir the air. Do you cut and weigh the ice cream when it is ready? For packing. Question number 7 is, where are the boxes kept? In a chill room. Grade 5. Now open your book at page number 24, Unit 4, Lesson 4. Here are some sentences. Make true sentences from the table. In this table, you have to tell how a thing is made. Soup is made from chicken. Ice cream is made from milk. Student, this is your task. Complete this table. In exercise number 2, talk about this table. What is soup made from? Meat or chicken and vegetables. This is the example. What is the ice cream made from? Ice cream is made from cream or milk. You have to make the questions like this. Find the past participles of the verbs make, made, grow, grown, sell, sold, keep, kept, cut, cut, freeze, frozen, produce, produced, eat, eaten, build, built, find, found. In exercise number 4, listen to your teacher and tick the boxes. In which country is the most maize grown? The answer is the USA. Maize is also grown in China, but not so much. You have to tick the China for 1 time and tick the USA for 2 times. Students, this is your task. Check the paragraph from page 111 and fill this box. Students, now open Unit 4, Lesson 5 at the page number 25 of your English Oxford book. This is a poem. As you sing, mime the actions. This is the way we beat the eggs, beat the eggs, beat the eggs. This is the way we beat the eggs on a hot and sunny evening. This is the way we grate the cheese, beat the eggs, beat the eggs. This is the way we grate the cheese on a wet and windy evening. This is the way we grate the cheese, beat the eggs. This is the way we slice the bread, grate the cheese and beat the eggs. This is the way we slice the bread on a cold and stormy evening. This is the way we make the soup, slice the bread, grate the cheese and beat the eggs. This is the way we make the soup on a showery winter's evening. This is the way we fry the fish, make the soup, slice the bread, grate the cheese and beat the eggs. This is the way we fry the fish on a cold and cloudy evening. This is the way we stir our drinks, fry the fish, make the soup, slice the bread, grate the cheese and beat the eggs. This is the way we stir our drinks on a hot and summery evening. In exercise number 2, a recipe for fried rice. Here they are giving you the recipe for fried rice. Write sentences for the pictures using the guide words and a few. You have to write the sentences about this picture. The first one is, chop a few onion and a little garlic. Fry the onion and the garlic in oil in the pan. Slice some mushrooms and some green peppers. Add the mushrooms and green peppers to the pan. Cook the mixture for 5 minutes. Add 4 cups of cooked rice and heat it. Add some coriander, cumin and turmeric. Serve and eat it. This is the recipe of fried rice. You can also try it at your homes. Grade 5, now it's the turn of your creative writing. You have to write the essay, My National Hero. I am giving you some hints. You can write an essay on any personality of your choice. First of all, you have to define what is a national hero. Then you have to write the name of your favorite hero, birth date, birthplace. Write a sentence about the family, education, degree, struggles, achievements, about death date, where that personality is buried, and the end. Students, make an essay by yourself. You can write an essay on Allama Iqbal or Qaid-e-Azam.